Hello. This channel deals with how to live life happily. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel as it will be updated regularly. Well, one way to enjoy life is to have a hobby. Today, I would like to talk about the benefits of having a hobby. A hobby is something that you enjoy spending time and money doing. Each person has different hobbies, such as reading, watching movies, music, sports, games, and handicrafts. So why should you have a hobby? Here are 3 reasons why. 1. Stress relief. First, having a hobby helps relieve stress. Everyone is tired and worried about their daily life and work. But immersing themselves in a hobby can change their mood. Hobbies are things you like, so you can enjoy doing them. Also, hobbies can be done at your own pace, so you don't feel pressured or obligated. Some hobbies are physically relaxing. For example, yoga and meditation have the effect of balancing the mind and body. Relieving stress will help you feel calmer and mentally healthier. 2. Self-growth. Second, having hobbies leads to self-growth. Hobbies can satisfy your interests and curiosity, but they can also help you acquire new knowledge and skills. For example, language and painting provide intellectual stimulation, while dancing and mountaineering enhance physical ability. Hobbies are also a way to express your personality and characteristics. Finding out what you love and what you are good at increases your self-confidence and self-esteem. In addition, hobbies can also be an opportunity to have your own goals and dreams. For example, many novelists and musicians started out as hobbies. By being passionate about your hobbies, you can expand your possibilities. 3. Relationships. Finally, having hobbies can have a positive effect on your relationships. Hobbies are not just for enjoying alone. By interacting with people who have the same hobby, you can make friends and colleagues. For example, you can participate in circles and clubs, and exchange information on SNS and blogs. Talking to people with similar interests can help you gain empathy and understanding, as well as provide stimulation and encouragement. You can also meet people of different ages, occupations, and cultures through your hobbies. It broadens your horizons and enriches your humanity. We have already talked about the benefits of having a hobby. Hobbies add color to our lives in 3 ways: stress relief, personal growth, and relationships. Hobbies are things you like, so enjoy them without overdoing it. Find a hobby that suits you and enjoy life. First step, it is important to see and experience for the first time. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching until the end.